Hello, good morning, my dear children. It's our third lesson, our clothes. We know that what is clothes? We all are wearing dresses. Okay, so here is a box. You can see this box. In this box, you have to draw a picture of a dress as your own design. Okay, had to draw a picture of a dress with your own design. Then let's read. Do you like to dress up nicely? Yeah, of course, we like to dress up nicely. Why did you choose to wear what you are wearing today? Do you know why clothes are important for us? Let us now learn more about clothes and their uses. All we are like to dress up nicely, and it will help us that clothes help us in many ways. Which are they? First we are discussing that. Okay, we wear clothes to cover our body. Yeah, to cover our body. First use is to cover our body. Clothes also protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and dust. The second use is it protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and dust. And the next title is types of clothes. There are so many types of clothes. The kinds of clothes we wear depend on the weather. Yeah, different kinds of clothes for different weather. All the season we are wearing different kinds of dresses. For example, in the hot months of summer, we wear cotton clothes. In summer, cotton clothes. In summer, we sweat a lot. Cotton cloths absorb the sweat easily and keep us cool. Yeah, that is the reason. Summer season we wear cotton clothes because in summer we sweat a lot. We sweat a lot. So the clothes absorb, taking the water, taking the sweat easily, and it will keep us cool. In the cold months of winter, we wear woolen clothes. Winter, woolen clothes. Winter, woolen clothes. Summer, cotton clothes. These protect us from the cold. These protect us from the cold. We wear clothes such as caps, gloves, sweaters, scarves and mufflers to keep our body warm. Okay, this helps us to keep our body as warm. These caps, gloves, sweaters, scarves, mufflers, all these help us to keep our body warm in the winter season. When it rains, we wear a raincoat and gumboot to keep ourselves dry. We also carry an umbrella when it rains. In the rainy season, we are using umbrella, raincoat, gumboot for keep ourselves dry. It's a box. Let's check. Tick the true statement. We wear cotton clothes in winter. No, we wear cotton clothes in summer. So it's wrong. We carry an umbrella when it rains. It's right. Tick mark. It's interesting. Many years ago, people used the leaves, grass and skins of animals to cover themselves instead of dress. Many years ago, we were used, that is leaves, grass, skins of animals like a tiger and like that. Okay. Where do we get the cloth from? From where we get it? The material that we use to make clothes come from both animals and plant. Yeah, both animals and plants. We get it. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. It is the picture of a cotton plant. And we get wool from the hair of animals such as sheep, goats, camels, rabbits. Okay, such a fluffy hair we get from wool. These animals have such fluffy hairs. From that hair we are using wool. Okay, we use wool to make woolen clothes such as sweaters, scarves, socks, caps, shawls, coats and gloves. Okay, these are the materials. We get silk from silkworm. You know, this is the picture of a silkworm. We get silk from the silkworm. Silk is used to make saris, shirts, kurtas, scarves and neckties. Okay, neckties and saris, shirt, all these things we can make with the silk from the silkworm. The skin of some dead animals is used to make leather. Leather also we are very familiar with. That is used with the skin of some dead animals. We use leather to make jackets, trousers, belt, shoes, bags and wallets. All these things we are making with the help of a leather from the skin of dead animals. That is the skin of the dead animals. Okay, that's enough. Have a nice day.